Trump is doubling down on robotics. What does it mean for Tesla and other robotic stocks? Hey guys, this is Hamza. We're Trading Secrets. I've been trading for the last 20 years. Stocks, crypto, real estate, merchandise, you name it, I've done it right here on this channel. I'll be sharing my journey with you all so you guys don't have to learn it the hard way. Guys, if you have not yet, subscribe to the channel. Go to the link below where you can book a consult with me on how to grow your portfolio in real estate, invest in Dubai, make money. I've helped many people make money. Helping a lot of people make money in Dubai. I'm telling them how to quadruple their money. I've done it. I can help you guys do it. Make sure you mention YouTube on the sources, like how you heard about us. So it's absolutely free because I made a promise to myself that I'm never going to charge my viewers. So guys, this is your opportunity. It's a once in a lifetime opportunity. Real estate has made more millionaires than anything else in the world. Let's move forward. Trump is pushing for robotics. Trump has been publicly supporting robotics and automation in American manufacturing because obviously he wants manufacturing to come back to the US, right? It's no surprise. It's going to boost tech companies that are working on advanced robots, especially Tesla, because you know Tesla is not just an EV company, guys. It's turning into a robotics and AI company, especially with the development of the Optimus robot that it's developing, right? The government support, guys, it's a big thing. If Trump keeps supporting robotics, it can speed up the innovation, it can speed up the process, and then if the policies are going to increase the funding, and then Tesla is going to get a big chunk out of it. I know there's other robotic companies. There's Serve Robotics, there's Rich Tech Robotics, but Tesla is the biggest player, right? Tesla is one of the biggest players that could benefit because it's already it's way ahead in the game, right? It has a jump start in the robot hardware, the AI, right? And then their robot could change their business model, right? Because if Optimus becomes widely used in factories, homes, Tesla could open like a new revenue stream. That's a new revenue stream which is bigger than cars, which is bigger than anything else, guys. Because we just don't right now. We're just not comprehending how big the AI and robotic industry is gonna be. What the potential in the coming few years, right, guys? We don't know, right? The stock, guys, is volatile. As I always say, when I talk about the company, I talk about the company. The stock price it doesn't always reflect what the company is doing, right? The company is doing great things. Sometimes even with positive news, Tesla, the stock goes down, you know. Obviously, some people say it's hype or whatnot. So don't just measure the company's success with the stock price, right? But eventually the price does catch up to what the company is doing, right? We've seen in many cases, right? We've seen this with Palantir, we've seen this with other companies, right? Investors, they're just watching for real progress, right? Wall Street, you know, they want to see real production. They want to see actual sales, you know, but with Tesla, you never know, right? People are always investing in the future growth because they have faith in Tesla, they have faith in Elon Musk that he always delivers, right? And it's just that, you know, if Trump's support, guys, it's a big thing, you know, it could just help Tesla a lot in the future because it's not like you just buy the stock. Tesla has big potential. It's not like, you know, just buy now and then tomorrow it's going to go up. I can't say anything how the stock's going to go. Nobody can tell you, right? Investors just need to see how fast the results can be, right? You gotta see the progress for yourself, right? You gotta see it. You gotta believe in it. Because guys, right now the thing is, it's with the AI and robotics, things are changing so fast. They're basically every day they're just changing like really fast. It's transforming. The world is transforming, right? Right now I'm going to places and I can see these robots serving food, serving water at the airports, at different places, right? So we're just, you know, like before, let's say 50 years ago or 30 years ago, what was happening in 10 years, right now things are changing in like a year, 2 years, you know. Who would have imagined you would have had like, you know, fully self-driving cars like 10 years ago, right? Or 15 years ago, nobody would have imagined, but now it's happening, right? It's a norm. So, you know how they say, we overestimate what can be done in like a year, So we think a lot can be done, but it cannot. But we underestimate what can be done in like 5 years or 10 years, guys. So if you go back even 5 years or 10 years, and you compare it with today, you're gonna see how far how far along the technology has come. So this thing with the robotics, it can be a big push, especially with Trump. Trump is in office. He still has almost, I want to say, almost 3 years, 3 more years to go, and then 3 years is a long time, guys. If he decides that he's going to push this narrative, I think it's just gonna help all these players in the AI and robotic space, and Tesla is one of the biggest, if not the biggest, in this space. So it's exciting times for Tesla, the company. Hopefully the stock is gonna follow, or it's gonna catch up. We'll find out. We still gotta wait and see how things are gonna pan out. Guys, if you made it this far to the video, click on the subscribe button. And guys, I can't stress enough. It's book that free consult. Mention YouTube over there, so we can talk, guys. Even if you have a little money, even if you have no money, that's fine. You got to be prepared for when you run into money. A lot of people are when they run into money, they don't know what to do, and they end up losing it, right? You wanna create wealth, guys. I want to help you guys create wealth. I've done it. I want to help you guys do it, and I'm just excited to help you guys grow. I made a promise to myself that I'm not going to charge my YouTube viewers, and I'm going to keep that promise. Just mention that you found us on YouTube, and I'll look forward to talking to you guys. You have a wonderful day.